shake, shake the room. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Shake, 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 boom.
Ang classic. So, saan kayo nanggaling, ha?
Parang maganda na naman ang gabi ninyo kagabi,
Naka-recharge
ha?
sila kung saan man sila nagpunta,
Oh,
Will Malik.
alam ko
Balik-balikan
na.
nyo yan.
It must be the red top.
It must be. Or it must have been a very good night for you
Ay,
guys.
higit ako doon.
As promised, we are going to give you tips on every segment. New tips, no? So this time, we're going to learn another way of making the beloved panini.
Maganda yan dahil karamihan ang alam dapat gumamit ng panini maker. But no! May iba pang paraan at para ituro sa atin kung ano ang mga ito, makakasama natin si Chef Ingrid Mejerito. Hi, Chef!
This looks very promising, Chef. What are we going to do?
Okay, we're going to make panini.
That's
So,
true.
usually, yung mga gagamitin natin, ito yung mga nasa bahay na nila.
Okay.
Okay, so first we have this, it's a griller. So, nabibili ito talaga sa department store. And then we also have the famous George Foreman machines. I also brought some props na gagamitin natin with our grill. So, I have here a heavy wood. So, actually, nakita ko lang to sa house eh. Tapos, naisip kong pwede natin siya ipang-press. Ito rin, marble siya, pero I covered it with foil para at least kahit dumikit siya sa food, okay lang.
Okay.
Pwede rin, for example, nagbe-bake na naman kayo or ng pastries or ng mga chicken. Usually, meron kayo nito, di ba, sa bahay. So, ito, pwede na nito. Basta heavy pan, na pwede lang natin siyang ipang-ipit dun sa bread.
Okay. Then, aside din sa mga sinabi mo yan, meron ka daw bagong idadagdag
Yes.
na ingredient.
You will see here ingredients na
That we normally find,
yeah,
no?
normally naman talaga siya, but the thing is the combination. Like, we will make yung sandwich natin na panini, may brie, and then may chocolate, and may basil.
Okay, let's start, madam.
So, let's start. Okay, I have here focaccia bread. So, we need plastic gloves.
Okay.
So, isa-spread lang natin. Ito yung una natin gagawin. The usual lang siya. So, tomato sauce. So, lagi naman tayo. Or pwede rin spaghetti. Kasi almost the same lang naman yung taste. So, both sides para at least well-blended talaga yung ating mga ingredients.
So what kind of cheese is that? Is that
This is
mozzarella?
mozzarella cheese. So, both sides na rin, lagyan natin. And then, I have here roasted bell pepper. So, ni-roast natin siya as a whole. Tapos, in-slice. Tinanggal lang yung black. Tapos, sin-slice lang. You want to put?
Okay.
Teka, natin put. Ako ba, ano lang ako, props lang ako dito. Ito lang ako dito. Panini. Panini. Panini.
Okay, and then, so,
Prosciutto.
yeah, prosciutto. We have your prosciutto. This is Parma ham. Pwedeng marami, pwedeng konti, depende sa'yo. So, our grill is already hot. So, we have your olive oil.
Batang may laban ako.
Pwede na rin any oil that you have. Tapos, konti lang lagyan natin to make sure lang na hindi
Hindi
didikit.
dikit,
Oh,
ah.
non-stick talaga to, but then, some non-stick kasi nagsistick pa rin yung food. So, just to make sure lang. Okay.
Tapos kung walang, halimbawa wala silang olive oil, pwede butter.
Pwede rin, but the tendency is mag-burn because of the milk content. So, lagay natin.
Galing mo yung grid, ha?
And then, since sandwiches is very easy. So, ito yung ginagawa ko usually. So, pwede to. So, i-press down nyo lang siya. Okay.
Tcharan! Hindi pa rin.
Okay, let's just check. So, para naman yung other side ang magkaroon. And it's normal na tutulo, syempre, yung cheese natin. Especially we're using mozzarella here. And that's what we really want nga din. Kasi, talagang makikita natin nag-uus yung cheese. This is the brie. So, cheese din to. We could add chocolate chips. So, if you're more of a parang chocolate lover than a cheese lover, so pwede mas maraming chocolates. Oo. Pero, syempre gusto natin yung balance din yung taste niya. So, may savory, may sweet. And then, ito yung hindi the usual thing eh. Yung nilalagyan ng basil. So, yung aroma and yung flavor ng basil, mag-fuse talaga with the cheese and the chocolate. And usually, pag unang nakikita to, sabihin parang yuck. Kaya yung combination.
No,
But
it's not
then,
yuck. I totally get it.
pero once you taste it, okay din yung lasa niya. Okay?
So this time, ano gagamitin mo pang
yung
press?
George Foreman naman, so this is hot lang. So press nyo lang siyang ganyan. If you have yung mga waffle iron, pwede rin yun.
Yes. Eh, etong brick. Kailan natin ito gamitin?
Ayun, actually, ano lang siya, option siya if you want to use this or that one.
Okay.
Actually, wood siya, tapos pwede rin
Tapos
itong
pag nag-init yung ulo mo
Oo,
sa kapitbahay nyo,
bato-bato.
ibutin mo itong brick mo. It's a weapon.
So, you just check it once in a while.
Naririnig niyo yung music namin dito? Naririnig yan ng viewers natin?
Oo, kasi baka nagtataka yung viewers, minsan bigla tayong gumaganto. May tugtog mo kami.
Oo.
Ah.
With the strong aircon that makes our hair
Ayan.
fly, it's music. I love it.
Okay na po yan, Miss Panini Girl.
Yes. Okay.
Yan.
So,
Taste
that's
test. Ingrid, you're the best policy. Thank you, Ingrid.
You're welcome.
Do you have like a catering business or a commissary?
Actually, I have a retail shop. It's a baking supply shop.
Where?
It's in Pasig. Our address is 363 Dr. Sixto Antonio Avenue, Barangay Canyugan, Pasig
Do
City.
you have everything for baking there?
Mostly.
You have
We also-
silipat?
We have some silicone zone materials.
Oh, I like silicone
We also
zone.
have premixes for mga nagsistart pa lang mag-bake. There. The name of our store is Ingrid Sweet Haven Patisserie and Baking Supply.
Give me your card.
Yes, I will. We've also brought some pastries that we've made. Yes, earlier.
But we're number one talaga.
So, we have it here.
Sarap.
So, thank you.
Thank you very much, Ingrid, for being on the show.
Thank you, Ingrid. Ingrid, balik ka kaya bukas.
Okay, habang tinitikman namin yung sandwich ni Ingrid, we'll pause for a break and up next we will rediscover the lost art of making handmade cards. Stay with us.
Boom, shake, shake, shake. Boom, shake, shake, shake.